Hey there fellow Greymanes, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the Dandelion Longsword in Crimson Desert. First things first, you need to obtain the Two-Handed Weapons of the World Volume 4. We have a video in the channel on how to get the crafting book for the two-handed weapons, so please make sure to check it out. Once you've acquired the book, you'll be able to craft through any smithy. The base weapon only needs 28 iron ores and 12 copper ores. At level 4 refinement, this longsword provides 23 points in attack, level 1 crit rate, and 5 gear slots. At max refinement, this weapon goes up to 40 attack and level 2 crit rate. This longsword has a well-balanced stats, slightly lowering its crit rate by 1 level and boosting its raw damage by 1 point. Alongside its amazing design, this sword is one of the better options you can get in the game. And that's how to get the Dandelion Longsword in Crimson Desert. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.